Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing my latest embroidery project, a denim jacket with rich chocolate colored cuffs and a matching collar. I stitched this design using my Janome 550E embroidery machine. And I'm excited to walk you through how it came together. For this project, I used my 7.9 by 14.2 hoop, which is the largest hoop available for the 550E. I started with a beautiful overlapping swirl tiling design from Designs by JuJu and layered it across the back of the jacket for that bold textured look. However, using that such dark chocolate thread, it didn't show as bold as I wanted, but I like it. So it's okay. It's okay. I'll try something different the next time as far as the colors of the thread. It just didn't pop enough, but still good. There'll be a next time. Then I went back in with the 7.9 by 7.9 hoop and added the 100% blessed design by Taylor Made Designs LLC right over top of the stippling. I love the contrast and layering. It gives the jacket a really custom personal touch. To cut my threads, I used my double bend embroidery scissors. Cutaway Stabilizer was used on the back of the stippling, and I know that it is a rule that if you wear it, don't tear it. However, after doing some research, I found that the heavier weighted denim typically is heavy enough to handle the threads, and this particular jacket has the chocolate collar as well as the chocolate sleeves, the cuffs of the sleeve, and it's corduroy. So that is why I chose to do the tearaway stabilizer. I also use the 75/11 embroidery needle, which worked perfectly with the weight of the fabric and the thread density. Join me on my previous YouTube live. You may remember a similar jacket I made. The concept was almost the same, but the colors are they were a bit brighter on the last jacket. But this time I went with the chocolate thread and like a off-white. And it's, I think, like I said before, a bit subtle on the darker denim. I do wish it had a bit more pop, a brighter or more contrasting color would have stood out a bit more. But overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. Please like, subscribe, tell a friend. And until next time, bloom where you are planted. Bye.